Hey everyone, Albert over here from PPC Ad Editor, and in today's video I am going to show you one of our latest features, revision history for Google search. So what we're looking at here is a preview for Google search ads. So at the very top here, again, we have all of our ad extensions. We have site links, callouts, structured snippets, and calls. And if you scroll down, this is our first ad group in this campaign, example ad group. And you can see here, this is our RSA ad. Here are the headlines 1, 2, and 3, and descriptions 1 through 4. And you can see the previews in real time, and you can click on randomize variations to see how each headline and description works. Now, the new feature allows you to see the current and previous versions in case anyone makes changes. So for example, let's make a quick change here. I'm going to put headline 1. There you go. So let's update that. Give it a few seconds. Okay, so if you notice, you click into the object again, you'll see this revision history tab now, which is new. Now you can click on it and scroll down. Collapse the menu. And now you can see what the previous headline was. So you'll see here, headline 1 is the new version, and previously it was click here to edit. So that's one way to see what was edited. A second way now is click in this tab here, this new icon, revision history. And similar to the change history report in Google Ads, it'll show you some different stats, the user, the date and time, what platform, what changed, again, the current and the previous. So you'll see here, the current is headline 1 and the previous is click here to edit, and then what campaign and what ad group that came from. So super simple to use. It works for all of the objects, all of the headlines and descriptions. So I'll do another example. Let's go ahead and edit this to site link 1111. You'll see here this revision history tab. So let's update. Wait a couple seconds. Okay, so 2 places you can take a look at the object level. Go to revision history. So you'll see the most previous version, and then obviously this is the current version. Or you can go to this icon here. Now you'll see site link. Open up the window, the drop down, and you'll see your current and your previous. So super useful if you need to see who changed what, what the previous version was or what the text was. So super valuable there. And then another new feature here is, let's say you're working on a preview, and then for whatever reason you wanted to restore that preview from a certain point. So what you can do is click on the calendar. Click on the main icon here. And you'll notice, because I just started this new preview, there's not a lot of version history yet. So every day a new version will be created, and then you can go back and restore that preview. So just in case, if you had any issues with the current working version of the preview, you can always revert back to the previous version of it. All right, any other questions, let us know in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel as we continue to add new features and how-to videos. Thanks for watching.